pay per download. In this video, I'm going to show you a website where you can upload anything that you want, like a PDF document, images, documents, whatever. And I'm going to show you a website which allows this type of sharing link. You share that, people click it, and then download it, you get paid. That website has billions of traffic every single month, so you can get a free organic traffic for that link. Now here, this website is going to pay you up to $24 for every 2,000 downloads. 2,000 downloads is not that heavy, guys. It's not that high. Because if you find that a website have billions of views every single month, you promote properly on that website, you can get these downloads every single day. Now again, the payment or the making money is depend on different countries. Taiwan has more money and Thai to have a different less money. So go to this website and learn about it. Now I'm going to show you a method how you're going to do that. There's a couple of websites you're going to pay you higher amount than this. This is one of the websites called douploads.net. There's a couple of websites. If you want to know, I will make a short video for that. Again, the basic idea is you're going to upload a file into this website, get a shareable link, and you're going to share it on a website, have a billions of traffic, and you promote it and you make money from it. Okay, first one thing what you have to do is you're going to go to this website and create a free account with it. So after you create the free account with it, you can upload the document on here. Now here, I need to show you what type of document you can share. Now I'm going to share a PLR ebooks. PLR ebooks are, you can download it from this website called IDPLR. There's a link in the description. Click that, sign up. You can download up to 200 free PLR ebooks, guys. Again, you can use this website to download these PLR ebooks. There's a ebooks, guys, and actual information you can share with those people, and they're willing to download this ebook if it's free, guys. So if they download this ebook, you get paid for that. So for example, I'm going to promote this intermittent fasting formula. So this is an ebook, I want to promote it. So after you create the account with IDPLR, download that ebook, guys. Now before I will review how you can upload it, which website you promote it, and how you promote everything, show your support by liking this video, subscribe to my channel. Please guys, leave a comment what kind of video, or if you have any question that you want me to answer. Yeah, so after you download the ebook, you have to go to do uploads again, the front page, home page, and then this one you have to click this one upload button. Yeah, so this is my ebook. I'm gonna click that and I'm gonna upload that on here. Okay, click this one, go start uploading. Done. This is your download link. Copy that. Okay, you have to keep that. Remember that you have to keep it carefully, this link. Now I'm going to show you how you're going to promote it. First of all, what you have to do, you have to go to two different websites. The first website is called pinterest.co.uk. Again, it is not that hard, guys. You can see I'm getting around 5,600 monthly views. I didn't upload any pins for nearly 2 to 3 months because I'm busy with my work. I didn't upload any pins. That you can see my pins are getting engagement every single day. This website now is getting billions of views every single month. You can promote for anything on here. All you have to do is be consistent, post at least 5 to 6 pins a day on a certain topic. Keep posting and people start to get engagement and you can make money from it. Now I'm going to show you how you can promote this free ebook download and get paid. So when you create a Pinterest account, you need to go to this one, create and create pin. Now it will take to this page. Before you do that, you need to go to Canva and you're going to create a simple Pinterest pin. There's a format on Canva, it's called Pinterest pin. You can create it, just put the pictures, image and information. Don't put more words on an image. Don't put lots of words, just simple. How to lose weight, intermittent fasting, and free ebooks. Okay, so keep that very simple. Okay, you don't put more words. Okay? If you can create engagement images, you know how to, colorful images and something like that to get a audience attention toward your pin, guys. So after that, what you do, download that pin into your computer. Go back to Pinterest, and you're gonna upload that pin on here, and you're gonna give a title. You're going to keep the exact title of the ebook and you're going to put free ebook. Okay, this is the title. You're going to copy that and put it on here, and you're going to click the link to download the free ebook. Okay, now what you do, go to your website. This is your download link. Copy that, come back to Pinterest. On the destination link, click that and put it on here. You're going to select a board for the Pinterest pin. So I will always say, you guys, if you have a different pins, put them in the different boards. If it weight loss, put them in the weight loss board. If it make money online, put them in the make money online. If it astrology, something like that, put them in a different board. It's more easy to organize, guys. So I'm gonna put them in the loose weight first and click publish. Why I'm saying Pinterest is good for this method is Pinterest allow this type of link. There are different websites. Those links are not work on Pinterest, so you have to check it before you start working on that website. Now here you can see my pin is active. Click see your pin. Now this is my pin. If I click this website, either two things will show. One is open the website, or second is said invalid access or something. So if I click open that, let's see what happens. Again, go to this website. The people wait for the advertisement. They download it, ebook, and you make money from it. Very simple method. So what you have to do is keep doing that. Keep promote your pin. Keep promote your pin in different places if you can. But if you want to promote in Pinterest, what you do, create at least 5 to 6 pin every single day. It will require less than 5 to 6 minutes, guys. Upload it, put the link. Whenever people download it, you make money from this website. There are a couple of websites where you can upload files and images and document, get paid. If you want to know about those websites, let me know in the comment section. I will make that for you guys. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.